Let's dive into Earth's most extraterrestrial creatures. Number 1, Blobfish. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the infamous Blobfish, officially voted the world's ugliest animal, but I think it looks more like a pink alien blob. Deep underwater, this fish actually looks pretty normal. But here's the crazy part. When brought to the surface, the lack of water pressure causes its body to turn into this gelatinous, alien-like mass that looks like it's melting. The blobfish doesn't have muscles. It is basically a living jelly that floats around the ocean floor eating whatever floats by. Imagine meeting this guy on another planet. You'd definitely think it was some kind of alien life form. And honestly, living 4,000 feet underwater in complete darkness, it might as well be from outer space. Number 9, Axolotl. At number 9, the Axolotl, nature's own alien experiment that looks like a cute underwater monster with a permanent smile. These Mexican salamanders look like they re-wearing alien breathing apparatus with those feathery gills sticking out of their heads. But here's what makes them truly otherworldly. They can regenerate entire body parts. Lost a leg? No problem, grow a new one. Heart damaged? They'll regenerate that too. Scientists are studying axolotls because their regeneration abilities seem almost supernatural. They can even regenerate parts of their brain and spinal cord. If that's not alien technology, I don't know what is. Plus, they never actually grow up. They stay in their larval form their entire lives, like eternal alien babies. Number 8, Dumbo octopus. Number 8 takes us to the deepest parts of our oceans. The Dumbo octopus, living up to 23,000 feet below sea level where no sunlight has ever reached. This deep-sea alien has ear-like fins that make it look like Disney's Dumbo elephant, but floating through the abyss like a ghostly UFO. These creatures live in Earth's most alien environment, the deep ocean, where pressure would crush a human instantly. Here's the mind-blowing part. They do end having sacs like other octopuses because there's no light down there anyway. They've evolved to live in conditions more extreme than the surface of Mars. They literally float through their world like aliens navigating through space, using their ear fins to propel through the crushing darkness. Number 7, Pangolin. At lucky number 7, we have the pangolin, the only mammal covered in scales that looks like a walking artichoke from another planet. When threatened, pangolins roll into a perfect armored ball that looks like some kind of alien defense mechanism. Their scales are made of keratin, the same stuff as our fingernails, but arranged in an overlapping pattern that looks like alien armor designed by an advanced civilization. But here's what makes them truly alien. They have no teeth. Instead, they have incredibly long tongues that can extend longer than their entire body to catch ants and termites. Picture this: a scaly alien ball unrolling and shooting out a tongue longer than its body. If you saw this on another planet, you'd definitely think it was extraterrestrial technology. Number 6, Star-Nosed Mole. Number 6 is straight out of a horror sci-fi movie, the Star-Nosed Mole with its alien face tentacles. This creature has 20 fleshy tentacles surrounding its nose that look like a face hugger from the Alien movies. But these aren't just for show. This star-shaped nose is the most sensitive touch organ in the entire animal kingdom. Here's the insane part. It can identify and eat small prey in just 120 milliseconds. That's faster than human eyes can even track. The star contains over 100,000 nerve fibers, 6 times more sensitive than a human hand. This mole is basically a living alien scanning device that can see through touch faster than we can see with our eyes. Number 5, Leafy Sea Dragon. At number 5, we have the Leafy Sea Dragon, nature's master of disguise that looks like a floating alien plant. These creatures look like they're part plant, part fish, and part alien technology. Their elaborate leaf-like appendages aren't just for camouflage. They make them look like living alien coral drifting through space. Here's what is truly otherworldly. Male sea dragons are the ones who get pregnant and give birth. The female transfers eggs to the male's tail, and he carries them until they hatch. They can't even swim properly. They just drift with the currents like alien spirits floating through their underwater world. If you encountered this on an alien ocean planet, you'd think it was some kind of sentient alien vegetation. Number 4. Goblin shark number 4 is a living fossil that looks like it swam straight out of an alien nightmare, the goblin shark. This living fossil has remained virtually unchanged for 125 million years, which means it was swimming around when dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Its extendable jaw shoots out like an alien-esque inner mouth to catch prey, just like the xenomorph from the Alien movies. But here's the terrifying part. Its jaw can extend up to 3 inches out of its mouth in just milliseconds. The shark essentially turns its head inside out to grab food. Living in the deep ocean depths up to 4,000 feet down, this alien predator hunts in complete darkness using electroreception to sense prey. It's basically a real-life alien monster that's been perfecting its hunting technique for millions of years. Number 3 Mantis Shrimp taking the bronze medal at number 3, the Mantis Shrimp, an alien warrior with superpowers that would make Superman jealous. Don't let the word shrimp fool you. This is an alien killing machine. Their punch is so fast and powerful it creates cavitation bubbles that collapse with the force of a bullet. They can literally punch through aquarium glass and have been known to break cameras underwater. But here's where it gets truly alien. They have the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, with 16 types of color receptors. Humans only have 3. They can see polarized light, ultraviolet light, and even circular polarized light, types of vision we can't even imagine. They're basically living alien technology with super-powered punches and supernatural vision. If you met this creature on another planet, you'd think it was an advanced alien warrior. Number 2 Vampire Squid at number 2, we have the Vampire Squid, a deep-sea alien that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi horror movie. Living in the ocean's twilight zone where sunlight never reaches, this creature looks like a living alien spaceship with glowing bioluminescent photophores covering its body. When threatened, it turns itself inside out, revealing spines that make it look like an alien weapon. Here's the mind-blowing part. It's neither a squid nor an octopus, but something entirely different that scientists had to create a whole new classification for. It can eject bioluminescent mucus that glows like alien slime to confuse predators. Plus, it has the largest eyes relative to body size of any animal on Earth, perfect for navigating the alien darkness of the deep ocean. This creature is literally living in Earth's most alien environment and has evolved to look the part. Number 1 Tardigrade Water Bear. And finally, our number 1 most alien creature on Earth, the tardigrade, also known as the water bear or moss piglet. These microscopic aliens are literally indestructible. They can survive in the vacuum of space, withstand radiation 1,000 times stronger than what would kill a human, survive temperatures from near absolute zero to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and can go without food or water for over 30 years. But here's what makes them truly alien. They look like tiny space bears with 8 legs, moving around like alien explorers in microscopic spacesuits. Under a microscope, they waddle around like cute alien creatures exploring alien terrain. The most insane part, they've actually been to space and survived. In 2007, tardigrades were sent into orbit, exposed to the vacuum of space and solar radiation, and they came back to Earth perfectly fine and even reproduced. They're literally the only animal that can survive in space without protection. If aliens exist anywhere in the universe, they probably look something like tardigrades, indestructible, adaptable, and capable of surviving in any environment. These creatures are so alien that they might actually be aliens that crash-landed on Earth millions of years ago. Which creature shocked you the most? Are you Team Vampire Squid or Team Indestructible Tardigrade? Let me know in the comments below.